Hello, Cosmic Guardians! Ready to blast off into a space yoga adventure? Today, we'll power up our focus, stretch like astronauts, and protect the galaxy with calm strength. Roll out your mat, take a deep stardust breath. 3, 2, 1, let's fly! Don't forget to subscribe for more missions. Rocket launch prep. Fold down and let your head hang loose like you're floating in zero gravity. Countdown, 3, 2, 1, whoosh!
Three, 2, 1.
Space Guardian Warrior. Strong stance. Eyes focused on your mission. Defend the peace of the universe with your yoga power.
Three, 2, 1.
Now switch sides.
Three, 2, 1.
Cosmic Guardian Shield. One leg grounded like a launch pad, an arm reaching to protect the galaxy from space dust. You've got this.
Three, 2, 1.
Now switch sides.
Three, 2, 1.
Moon Rock Explorer. Crouch low like a cute alien examining mysterious glowing rocks on the lunar surface. Stay curious.
Three, 2, 1.
Space Puppy Stretch. Reach your paws forward like a puppy chasing a floating star treat. Hips high like a mini rocket.
Three, 2, 1.
Space Antenna Check. Cross your arms like you're connecting your spacesuit signals to mission control. Beep boop.
Three, 2, 1.
Now switch sides.
Three, 2, 1.
Satellite Spin. Twist gently like a satellite orbiting Earth. Scan the galaxy with your eyes. What planets do you see?
Three, 2, 1.
Now switch sides.
Three, 2, 1.
Astronaut Recharge Station. Legs up Like a rocket resting after a long mission, let stardust energy flow through you. Breathe.
Three, two, one.
Thanks for joining us on our space adventures. Don't forget to give us a star like and subscribe to our space channel.